We're told this fall Ella baked 12 muffins and 2 times as many cookies for a school craft fair. Next fall, she plans to bake 3 times as many muffins and 5 times as many cookies to meet higher demand. How many total baked goods does Ella plan to make next fall? Pause this video and try to do this yourself before we do this together. Okay, so now let's do this together. There's 2 things that she's baking. She's baking cookies. Actually, let me start with the muffins because that's the first thing they mentioned. She's baking muffins, and I'll do it in another color. And she's baking cookies. And then there is this fall. There is this fall. And then there is next fall. Next fall. So this fall, we know that Ella baked 12 muffins. So 12 muffins and 2 times as many cookies. 2 times as many cookies. So how many cookies is that going to be? Well, it's going to be 12 times 2 because it's 2 times as many. So this is going to be 24 cookies. Now next fall, she plans to bake 3 times as many muffins. 3 times as many muffins. So let's see, that's going to be 3 times 12. 3 times 12, which is equal to 36 muffins next fall. And 5 times as many cookies to meet higher demand. So it's going to be 5 times the number of cookies that she made. And to be very clear, they could have said 5 times as many cookies as she made in the fall, but I think that's somewhat there. So let's see. So 5 times as many cookies the next year. So then that is 5 times the amount that she is going to make this fall. So 5 times 24. And this is going to be the same thing. If you might be able to do this in your head, or you might say this is the same thing as 5 times 20 plus 4, which is going to be the same thing as 5 times 20. I'm just doing the distributive property here. 5 times 20 plus 5 times 4. 5 times 4, which is going to be equal to 100, and adding to that 20, this is going to be equal to 120. So then if you were to add up the total baked goods Ella plans to make next fall, total baked goods for next fall, that's going to be the number of muffins plus the number of cookies. So it's going to be 120 plus 36, which is equal to, you could add this up and you would get 156. 0 plus 6 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5, and then you bring down that 100. So we have 156 total baked goods next fall.